Welcome to the CISI Risk in Financial Services course. The dashboard gives you an overview of your progress, including chapter completion and mock exams done. Our chapter summaries provide distilled expert content, like this overview of the principles of risk management, covering various types of risk within financial services. Dive deeper into examinable areas, common pitfalls, and numerical values that are essential for the exam. These summaries help you focus your study efforts effectively. Navigate through all 10 chapters easily, from international risk regulation to enterprise risk management, ensuring you cover the entire syllabus. The quick cheat sheet is your searchable reference for timelines, thresholds, and key definitions, offering an organized way to review crucial concepts. Use the flashcards feature for active recall training. This is the most effective way to memorize key rules and facts needed for the exam. When reviewing flashcards, you can reveal the answer to test your knowledge and track your progress through the deck. In the Mock Exam Hub, you get 400 questions across 4 unique mocks with unlimited attempts, simulating real exam conditions. We also provide tips for the real thing. Before starting a mock exam, you'll see the time limit and number of questions. Remember, the pass mark is 70%, and you can review explanations after submission. During the exam, track your question progress and time remaining. You can also flag questions to review them later before finishing the exam. After submitting, review your exam results with detailed correction review. This provides explanations for both correct and incorrect answers to enhance learning. The AI Study Tutor, currently in beta, is available to answer questions about the course material, exam tips, or specific topics, offering expert-level explanations. Finally, complete all mock exams to earn your official Risk in Financial Services completion certificate. You can choose your preferred language and generate a verified certificate.